Happy September, y'all. Fall is here. First of all, I love playing with makeup, and I feel like I haven't been wearing a lot of it during quarantine, but things are starting to open back up. People are going out, events are happening. We're staying 6 feet apart and masking up. I say we, I'm not really going out to these events, but I might be able to help the folks who are. And that's just by putting an emphasis on the eyes. Is it just me? You put lipstick on and then you're like putting a mask on. And I'm like, why am I even doing this? It's so silly. But if we're going to draw attention to anything, it's gonna have to be our eyes because we're masking up. So came across some fun fall looks, and they're going to push me to the edge of my comfort zone as far as my technique and ability, and getting better and learning more about eye makeup and taking some risks. And rather than rocking a bold red lip or my purple lips that I love, how am I gonna accentuate my eyes and have some fun with that? So I figured that I could just make a little bit of a series around this concept and this theory, and I don't know, maybe inspire any of y'all, or if you're looking for this already, to be able to do something a little fun, a little something outside your comfort zone. And let's just, you know, have some fun with it. I miss playing with makeup. I miss it a lot. So we're gonna do it to them. I'm thinking of a transition from August to September. You know, we're holding on to the summer days as we're heading into fall. So there's gonna be some soft kind of summery night inspiration is what I'm thinking, sunset-esque, before we get in too dark and fully get enveloped in autumn, which I'm so excited to do those, looking forward to it, but holding on to those summer days. We're just gonna have fun with it. We're just gonna have fun. Makeup is fun. Makeup is fun. We're just gonna have fun. First things first, we're gonna put an eye base all over our lids. One thing I have learned with this eye base is that a little goes a long way. I think I'm actually gonna do my brows first. That was not my initial game plan, but I'm gonna go ahead and do those. So every time I do my brows, I like to start off with a little bit of wax just to get my hairs to stay in place where I would like them. Then I like to go in with a powder and fill them in. Keep them a little bit darker towards the ends and then a little bit lighter throughout. Okay, let's do the other one. I'm certainly not a brow master, don't come at me, but just fill them in, darken them up a little bit, just bring them forward a little more. Coffee break. So to start this off, we're gonna use a bit of a red-orange above the crease. You can go ahead and start to blend that out. I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite shimmer reds. It's called Rebel. It's delightful. Now we are gonna come in with that cut crease, the scary part. So to do that, I'm gonna take my concealer brush and my eye base. Now I have a hooded eye, so it's always interesting to do this because everything on my eyelid disappears. So I always have to bring it up a little bit further. You might have to do the same if you're, depending on your eye shape. So a good trick with this is to keep your eye open to see where that crease is gonna be. And you can kind of go from that point. So we can see that's where the mark was left. So that's where we're gonna start our cut crease. Probably 3/4 of the way. All right. Now we're gonna get a little extreme. We're gonna go in with a bright blue. And now we are gonna go in with this beautiful copper shimmer powder and go into the center part of the lid. How amazing is that? We are gonna go back in with Rebel and blend in this outer corner. Now we're gonna go ahead and just buff that out a little bit. Spot a little red up here. Now for some eyeliner. I'm gonna do a gel liner to start. Mascara is on, and here is our look. That's it for today's video. Hope you found this useful. Definitely pushed me outside my comfort zone, but I'm enjoying it. It's a little dramatic, but it works for me. It's fun. Makeup's fun. Go have some fun. Happy September.